Welcome back to the online classes of KBD Academy. Today I am going to teach you History Lesson 8, Class 7. Topic is Religious Belief and Popular Movement. This religious belief and popular movement is very important for the Indian history as well as to the other history, because in this 7th century in South India, a religious movement was started. This movement is known as Bhakti movement, and Bhakti means a person loving devotion to his or her chosen deity. Means your deity means your deity means Shiva, Durga, and Vishnu. This deity were worshipped by the Bhakti. Means here Bhakti means it comes from the Sanskrit term Bhaj. This is Bhakti movement, where origin from the Sanskrit term Bhaj, means to divide or share, means to divide or share, and Bhakti is a total surrender to the self to God. Means you should sacrifice your life or your completely your mind is constant towards the God, because God is one. So this Bhakti movement where goes from door to door and give you one lesson that God is one. There are total different names, and we should need to worship cow or sacred animals, tulsis. This another good deities today. Instead today yet we will learn it in your books also, and worship to our many deities here. So that's why this Bhakti movement is very well. He give an idea about the gods and goddesses that were in our country. So and this there are main features of the Bhakti movement. Now let's discuss about the main features of the Bhakti movement. Number one, devotion to one God. Here Bhakti movements give you emphasis that we should devote to only one God. This God is only one. There are many names of the God, but God is only one. We should love the God and worship God in your whole soul, minds, in a peaceful way. God will always help you. You should remember God in your sad time or in a happiness time. We need not to worship God in our sad time. We should worship God in a good time also, in a happiness time also. God sure come to help you. Second one is through love devotion. Means you should love the God in a devotion, fully devotion. Give a valuable time from morning to evening, and every time you need, you learn in your tongue there is a name of the God and goddesses. Third one is spiritual image. Means we should make an image of Vishnu also, Shiv also, Durgas also, and Tulsi also, bull also, cow also. We make a many image, and with under this image we should incense stick around him and give flowers to in their feet. That give they are very happiness and give and forget our sinner and sins also. And beginning of the temple, we should need to make a temple. So in the temple, we should go to the temple to worship Vishnu, other goddesses, Kali temples, and others in Allah. They should their masjid also. Christians make a church also. Means we should need to make a beginning of temples and other things. And university means university for food determined in a very good manner. University means all are equal to God, and only there is no need that the God is only present to the Brahmas. Means God is present in every creature. We should love the creatures. And sixth one is emphasis on the moral value. Means we should think the moral value. Moral value very important. We should know the biography of Ram. Ram also, you see that they lived there for 14 years exiles and killed the Ravans. In this, among this lies, it give us many knowledge about they to be a truth in their ways and worship God and goddesses in your core soul or minds. So these Bhakti movements, and after there is also Sufi movements. Their aim and ambition to love the God. God is only one in this time, and second is to choose deity, not also more from the Sanskrit term. So that's why we need to divide or share. Bhakti is the total surrender to the self to God. So it's complete surrender to the gods and sacrifice and give up your times to the God and goddesses for their worship. I think all of you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.